Let's talk about React. What is React? React is a JavaScript library used to create user interfaces. The user interface, that part of the software that people can see and interact. In other words, it's what you have on the screen. If you are going to make a software using React, you are going to work with JavaScript in reality, but with some new ways. And you can incorporate your traditional JavaScript code on your React program if you want. Okay, React comes in two flavors. The first one is React.js. It is used for to create web apps, and the second one is React Native, and it is used to create mobile phone apps. Okay, why React? Why do I have to use React? The first reason is because you're not going to have refreshes. Okay, when you click on a link, you are not going to wait for a web page. Okay, you're not going to have that sensation of waiting for a page. And the second reason is it is fast because it uses something called SPA. It means single page application. It means that the React application only uses one HTML page, and using that HTML page, it creates, using the JavaScript code, the other web pages. Okay, and the last one is productivity, because React uses something called components, and components are pieces of code that can be reusable. If you have a component, you can use that component. It can be a button, or it can be a presentation, or a text, or a message, and you can use that component in different web pages. Some examples of applications made with React are Facebook, Instagram, New York Times, Yahoo, and WhatsApp. For that reason, well, React is very popular. And React uses a specific syntax called JSX. It is JavaScript XML. Okay, that's the specific characteristic of React that you have to use. And this is an example of JSX, or a little React application. It has import statements. This is a function. This is JavaScript code, and this is the JSX syntax. Okay, this is something similar, like a HTML tag, but in reality it is not, because the JavaScript code, the internal JavaScript code, is going to take this notation, and it is going to transform these values in the real tags on a specific web page.